Hi everyone, this is my another vlog with kids wear. So let's start without wasting your time. So this is the first one, kids wear from Meesho. These all are from Meesho. These are on very reasonable prices. So you can see this is cream color and with hood, with zipper and with pockets. This is the lower with pockets and this is so nice one product, and all these products are available in other colors also. You can purchase other colors also. So second one is this one. This is the zipper in the front and sleeves, full sleeves. This is very warm stuff and this is the lower and this is the kit with it. So this is for the style just, and I believe this is in red color. It is available in other colors also. एक टाइगर प्रिंट है इस पे और विद कॉलर है ये. This is also very warm. This is the jean with it. So all these products are very nice, and this is for girls and ladies. Black kurta set. So nice one. This is also looking nice. So this is the kurta, as you can see, and this design is on the sleeves. Elephant print, not print. It is embroidery, and on the so this is also nice one, and this is the lower. So this is also very nice. This is my vlog, and if you like this, then please like, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye bye. This is the full design. You can see on the sleeves also.